Hi guys, welcome back with me again and the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best export settings on the CapCut PC. So if you want to get a high quality video, this is what you are going to do. First, you can just add the videos that you want to edit. Then here, I'm going to just add this one. For example, you can click on open and add it into the timeline and just finish your edit. So after that, you can click on export, and this is the export settings, and this is the important one. Here you can see there's name, export to, and other settings. You can just name the project to or however you like it. And then here for the resolution, if you think that if you use 4K then you'll get the best quality, that is not the case, because the best quality is that you follow the original resolution and frame rate of the original footage. So here, if you want to find out the resolution, the original resolution of the file, you can just find it on the file library in here. You can right click on the file and then go to properties, choose details, and you'll see the video section. You can see the frame width, height, and also the frame rate. You can just set it, just follow the original one. For example, in here, the original is 1024 because there is no such option. So I'm going to just go with 1080, and then the frame rate I'm going to go with 30 FPS. Now you can just export this and you'll get the best settings on the CapCut PC. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.